Hello, new day. Are you a vegetarian? It's very good for your health. Vegetarianism has many health benefits, reducing the risk of heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and obesity. A diet rich in vegetables helps the body absorb vitamins, minerals, and fiber better. Vegetarian foods rich in fiber help the digestive system work effectively, reduce constipation, and support healthy sugar. A diet rich in green vegetables and fruits helps the skin to be smooth, less acne, and helps maintain a reasonable weight. Reduce greenhouse gas emissions, save water resources, and reduce deforestation caused by livestock farming. Vegetarianism helps the body feel lighter, improves mood, and increases concentration. Do you want to try a vegetarian meal? We suggest some delicious dishes and how to make them for you. 1. How to make vegetarian lotus seed and mushroom soup. Vegetarian lotus seed and mushroom soup is both light and nutritious, helps you sleep well, beautifies your skin, and improves your health. Here is a simple recipe that anyone can make. Ingredients include 100 g fresh lotus seeds, or dried lotus seeds soaked in water for 2 hours. 200 g mushrooms, straw mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, optional. 1 carrot, creates natural sweetness. 100 g soft tofu, makes the soup smoother and creamier. 1 liter of filtered water. Seasoning, salt, vegetarian seasoning, pepper, cooking oil, coriander. Instructions. Wash the lotus seeds. If using dried lotus seeds, soak them in water first. Wash the mushrooms. Cut them in half if the mushrooms are large. Peel the carrots. Slice them or carve them into beautiful flowers. Cut the tofu into bite-sized pieces. Cook the broth. Boil 1 liter of water. Add the lotus seeds first. Cook over low heat for about 15 minutes until soft. Next, add the carrots and cook for another 10 minutes. Cook the soup. When the lotus seeds and carrots are soft, add the mushrooms and cook for another 5 minutes. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of vegetarian seasoning to taste. Finally, add the tofu, gently so as not to break it. Finish. Turn off the stove, add pepper and cilantro on top to bring out the aroma. Scoop into a bowl. Enjoy hot to fully experience the natural sweetness. Health benefits of vegetarian lotus seed mushroom soup. Improve sleep, strengthen the digestive system, protect the cardiovascular system. Mushrooms provide a lot of vegetable protein to help maintain muscles and energy. Mushrooms contain beta-glucan, which helps strengthen the immune system and prevent disease. Lotus seeds contain natural collagen, which helps smooth the skin and slow down aging. The soup is cool, helping the body cool down and effectively eliminate toxins. Number 2. How to make vegetarian seaweed soup. Ingredients to prepare include 20 g dried seaweed, 100 g tofu cut into small pieces, 100 g straw mushrooms or shiitake mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, 1 carrot sliced into flowers, 1 liter of water, 1 tablespoon sesame oil. Seasoning includes salt, vegetarian seasoning, pepper, soy sauce. The method is as follows. First, soak the seaweed in water for about 10 minutes to bloom, then we wash it and take it out to drain. With mushrooms, wash them. Cut them in half if they are large. Thinly slice the carrots. Shape them into flowers for an attractive look. Then saute the mushrooms and carrots with a little sesame oil. Stir well for about 2 minutes. Then add enough seasoning to taste. Next, add 500 milliliters of water to the pot and boil. When the water boils, add seaweed and tofu and boil for another 5 minutes. Thus, the vegetarian seaweed soup is completed. Enjoy it while it's still hot. The effect of vegetarian seaweed soup is to detoxify the body because it contains many antioxidants, helping to purify the liver. Supplement iodine, good for the thyroid, supports metabolism. Provide calcium and iron, helps strengthen bones, increase blood. Reduce cholesterol, supports the heart, helps reduce blood fat. Good for digestion. Fiber in seaweed helps laxative, supports the intestines. This dish is both delicious and good for your health. You should add it to your daily menu. It's very nutritious. Number 3. How to make vegan kale salad. Ingredients: 200 g kale, washed, chopped. 100 g chickpeas, boiled or canned. 1/2 avocado sliced. 1/2 carrot shredded. 10 cherry tomatoes halved. 20 g walnuts or almonds, cashews. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon honey or maple syrup. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. How to make: prepare kale, wash, chop, squeeze lightly with a little salt and lemon juice to soften the kale. Next, mix olive oil, lemon juice, honey or syrup, salt, pepper in a bowl. Kale with chickpeas, carrots, cherry tomatoes, avocado, and walnuts will be drizzled with the sauce. Mix well to absorb the spices. Let it sit for about 5 minutes for the salad to absorb the sauce, then enjoy immediately. The effects of vegetarian kale salad are: helps the digestive system healthy, prevents constipation. Kale contains a lot of vitamin C, E to help beautify the skin, prevent aging. Chickpeas provide energy without meat. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids from walnuts, helps reduce cholesterol. Strengthens immunity. Vitamins A, C, K in kale help the body become healthier. Number 4. How to make vegetarian pizza. Ingredients: pizza base includes 200 g all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon yeast, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 120 milliliters warm water, 1 teaspoon olive oil. Next, pizza filling includes 100 g tomato sauce or marinara sauce, 1/2 bell pepper sliced, 1/2 onion, thinly sliced, 100 g mushrooms, shiitake or oyster mushrooms, 1/2 eggplant, thinly sliced, 1/2 sweet corn, kernels removed, 100 g vegan cheese, 1 teaspoon or dried basil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Here's how to make the pizza base. Mix flour, yeast, salt in a bowl. Add warm water and olive oil. Knead the dough until smooth. Let the dough rise for about 1 hour until doubled in size. Then roll the dough into a circle, about 0.5 centimeters thick. Pizza filling you do as follows. Slice vegetables. Mushrooms can be sautéed with a little salt and pepper to enhance the flavor. After finishing, spread tomato sauce on the pizza base. Sprinkle ingredients such as vegetarian cheese, oregano, and a little olive oil. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes until the edges of the cake are golden brown. Effects of vegetarian pizza: good for the heart. Does not contain cholesterol from meat and animal cheese. Vegetables are high in fiber. Good for digestion. Beautify the skin. Anti-aging. Vegetarian cheese or tofu helps provide sustainable energy. Number 5. How to make vegetarian tacos. Ingredients: for tacos or small tortillas, 200 g black beans, or lentils, red beans, 100 g mushrooms, 1 avocado sliced or mashed, 1/2 onion minced, 1/2 purple cabbage shredded, 1 tomato diced, 1/2 lemon, 1 tablespoon olive oil. Seasoning: salt, pepper, chili powder, minced garlic, soy sauce. Optional toppings include sweet corn, vegan cheese, coriander, salsa, or avocado sauce. How to prepare: boil black beans until soft, can be crushed to create a thick texture. Sauté onions and garlic with a little olive oil. Wash and chop mushrooms, then stir-fry. Season with salt, pepper, chili powder. Add black beans. Stir well to absorb the spices and turn off the stove. Prepare topping: purple cabbage mixed with lemon juice, a little salt to reduce the pungency. Tomatoes mixed with a little salt and pepper. Assemble tacos. Place the shell on a plate. Add the bean and mushroom filling. Add purple cabbage, tomatoes, avocado, and drizzle with lemon juice. You can add salsa or avocado sauce if you like. The effect of vegetarian tacos reduces cholesterol, helps protect the heart. Beans and vegetables are rich in fiber, helping the digestive system work smoothly. Provide vegetable protein. Beans and mushrooms help the body have enough energy without meat. Support weight loss. low in calories, high in fiber to help you feel full for a long time without worrying about gaining weight. Rich in vitamins and minerals, tomatoes, avocados, purple cabbage supplement vitamins A, C, E to help beautify the skin, increase resistance. Healthy vegetarian dishes not only help to purify the body, but also provide all the necessary nutrients. Dishes such as vegetable salad, lotus seed soup, lentil soup, stir-fried mushrooms, and vegetarian tacos are all rich in vitamins, fiber, and vegetable protein, helping to improve health and maintain a healthy figure. Try adding vegetarian dishes to your menu to feel the difference. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with more delicious and nutritious dishes. Don't forget to like, share, and follow so you don't miss out.